Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and Joseph's wife, Deborah, here today. And Deborah's come in for her Christmas adjustment here. So we're going to give her a Christmas adjustment today. Let's have you flex your hip forward and backwards. By the way, this is our last day in the office, and we'll be back in the office on January the 4th. Okay, it's a little forward and a little bit left. Yep, pelvis is lined up pretty good though. Good. Okay, so let's come over here and give him the Christmas ring dinger first thing today. There we go. Hey Joseph.
Sir.
We had somebody leave a message on our Advanced Chiropractic Relief Facebook page. He's from Ohio. I need to get his name, I forgot his name. Anyway, he wants to make us 2 new pins for the table.
Nice.
So we're going to take some pictures of that today and dimensions and get them to him. There we go. And we really appreciate that, by the way. There we go. Just like that. Home run. She's still kicking. Good. Okay. There we go. Now I'll get rid of your pain in your neck, Joseph.
We've been sleeping better though.
Yeah, you needed that today though. Been a while. Okay, let's come over here. Tell me. So we won't be answering the phones. It'll be on message the whole time we're gone. So go to our website, www.advancedhoustonchiropractor.com. That's advancedhoustonchiropractor.com. And if you want to get an appointment for next year, because we are booked up today and have been all week. I think we're booked up for the next couple of weeks, actually, over the first of the year. But get your request for an appointment in on our website, and Renee will get back to you as soon as she can to schedule you an appointment to start the new year off right. Yes, ma'am. That's it right there. Perfect. Well, that was good. Yeah. There. And this way, just, yeah. There you go. Yep. Okay, let's turn you on your back. Slide you down this way. And you put your arms out like this. Perfect. Ribs are a little bit out. You've been bending forward a lot, haven't you? Because your ribs are up on top of your sternum. There, okay. Yeah, just relax this right here in my hands. Yes, ma'am. Should have felt that in your knee and your back.
Yes.
Good. There we go. Good job. Okay, let's see if we get a nice short Joseph. There we go. There we go. Excellent. There we go. Good. Yep. Yep. Good. Okay. That's good. come over here and shoot you for Christmas. Okay, let's flex you forward and backwards again. Well, that was definitely smoother. Bring this straight back and up like this. Yep. Now, this one right there. There, okay, let's try that same thing again now. Did that one feel any smoother to you?
Yeah.
Good. Well, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson and Deborah, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. Merry
Bye,
Christmas
guys.
and
Merry
Happy New
Christmas.
Year.